Hi, I'm Jay from NoMoreMomJeans.com, and I'm here to show you how to make your boots stand up in your closet. Now, the problem with allowing your boots to bend over in your closet is that when they flip to the side like this, they start to age prematurely. That means you're going to get weakening in the fabric and your boots are not going to last as long. Now, to make them stand up like you see in the stores, you're going to need a few pieces of newspaper. You probably want about 10 pieces of newspaper. You're going to start to crumple it up just into a loose crumple like this. Get about 10 pieces all together and start stuffing them into the bottom of the boot. Now remember that the bottom and the sole of the boot doesn't really need to stand up, so you really only need to put the paper into the body of the boot. Keep stuffing the boot until you've added all of the paper. And once the paper has been stuffed into the boot, just zip it up like you normally would. Once you're done, you should have a boot that stands up completely in your closet and won't have any wear and tear when you're storing it. And that's how to make your boots stand up in your closet. I'm Jay from NoMoreMomJeans.com, and we'll see you next time.